Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best budget pens in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Mixoo Smart and Stylus pens for touch screens. If you are looking for a budget-friendly stylus option in the market, Mixoo has quite a lot of good options that might interest you. Speaking of this stylus option, it's one of the cheapest options available in the market right now. Despite its low pricing, this stylus offers you the benefits of not one, but 2 types of stylus tips. The design of the pen is kept in a way so that it can provide you with a raw feeling of using a standard pen. While the front end of the pen comes with a flat style nib, it has a transparent disc at the front that allows you to see through, which helps in improving accuracy. Number 2. Our second best pick is Moleskine Active Stylus pens for touchscreen. In case you own a tablet and need a stylus pen that you can use for drawing purposes, Moleskine is one of the best brands out there that specialize in making stylus pens. One of the main reasons why people love this stylus option is because of its aggressive pricing, as it's quite wallet-friendly and works wonderfully. It has a magnificent-looking design and comes in a variety of colors as well. There's no need for you to install any batteries, as this stylus comes with an inbuilt rechargeable battery that gives a battery backup of about 12 hours on a single charge. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ellipse Stylus pen for touchscreens. Similar to most other stylus pen options available in the market, Ellipse is one such brand in the market that sells very high-quality stylus pens that you must definitely check out. Without a doubt, this stylus pen has a very commendable build quality if you compare it to the other options available out there. In fact, it's pretty simple to use, as it doesn't require you to download any applications on your devices. You can simply press a button and start using it with any of your touchscreen devices. The design of the stylus is kept quite simple, and it's pretty lightweight and thin as well, which helps users to have a good grip on it while writing. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Moleskine Active Stylus Digital Pen for touchscreen. Coming up next, we have another affordable stylus pen here on our list that is offered by Moleskine, which is also quite a well-known brand in this industry. Starting off with its design and build quality, the design looks absolutely minimal, as it comes in a bright white color that almost matches any device you might be having. On top of it, the body of the pen is made from copper, hence, it's well constructed and built to last. The special feature about this stylus pen is that it comes with not just one, but 2 stylus tips. Well, it has a decent one. 5mm knob at one end that will allow you to precisely write or draw on your mobile phone or tablet device. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Moleskine Pen Plus Ellipse Smart Pen. Moleskine is one of the most popular brands in this industry, as it offers one of the best smart pens that can help students digitize their notes without making any extra effort. The Moleskine pen is one of the smartest pens available in the market, as it boasts a lot of interesting and useful features that you will love to use. The best part about this pen is that you can use it as a regular pen to write on any paper. However, when it comes to making the documents digital in real time, you will have to use Moleskine Smart Notebooks. Apart from that, you can download the Moleskine app on your Android or iOS devices and edit the digital notes in whatever way you like, and also share them with others via the app. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.